Hey friends, if you wish to disable keyboard shortcuts on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the resolution is through the registry editor window. Search for registry editor in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Go to the path HKey current user, software, Microsoft Windows current version and policies. Now in the right pane, we will create a Diva 32-bit entry named no key shots. Okay. Right click, new Diva 32-bit value, no key shots. Double click on it and change the value data to 1. Note this value data and hit enter, and that is it. And obviously to reverse it, all you need to do is change it to 0 and hit enter once again. So it will reverse all the commands. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.